research says even microwaves no. So with the microwave aduane now with the aduane you lose 18% of your hemoglobin.
Hey!
Into the upper, your favorite planter a woofie or flower be a woofie no. Me just 1 month. Every morning be a fa. In social microwave insure na insure njo. Eyashi me insure sanjo. Na unfengu plant no so. For 1 month or plant in the and see this tells them there are certain chemicals and the microwave will transmit it into the water content a bit disrupting water the benefit to the plant. So also say your cost your consumer I have a plastic bowl and now say no the microwave. Some of the content goes into the food, it leaks into the food, and then you consume. Same applies to ceramics. Ceramics also contain mercury. In case we will be would be free, especially hot food from ceramics. You leak the mercury into your food, and then it goes into your body. So we leave a strong set. The produce the lactic acid. Lactic acid. Every mercury, then you tend to store it and it can cause confusion, headache, and the rest. Like, so about time we have to go back into natural stuff. Not M1 and the pediano 18 function ye. But the best option is organic. And then the bear come and this are when you want us bowl a be of fear now the apapogy. The same applies to cocoa. Empono, Yenya, I thought that you carry with hot water. Hot water, I will feel. So, we prepare hot water either so what they insurance we are free. It just so announce kettle or the also with the cold water, I go back at the first. And so now with the hot water, I go back at the and this now with the hot water, I go back at the first. And then with the cold water, they more. That same chemical will leak into the water, and then over dilute with the diarrhea. It assimilates through your skin pores into your bloodstream, which can also have effect on you.